Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use Canva edit and video presentation. You can use Canva. It's a very good website. It's a user friendly and you can just log in for free. So you can use your Facebook or your Google to sign up. Then after you sign up, you can log in by your email. I log in with my email, so you can just go with your login site. I needed my security code for my to enter, and then open. So in here you can choose which design you would like to have: presentation, video message, or poster, talking presentation, Instagram post. There's a lot of things here you can choose: card, logo, infographic, desktop holder, desktop, uh, wallpaper, resume, anything you would like to present. Resume, Facebook video presentation, mobile video, Zoom, virtual background, banner, poster, video collage, A4 document, graph, photo collage, YouTube video ad, your story, Instagram story, invitation, flyer. There's too many things you can use by canva.com. It's very easy and user friendly. So you can choose your design here. Like this, you can go here, create your design, which one you like, video message or video presentation. So I would like to have video presentation. So you can choose if you have a birthday presentation, so you can choose a Canva and drag the templates here, and where you can change the words here. Just click in the side and you can put what words you would like to put, like that, and you can do the resizing here at the top. Yeah, and then the color, you can use background color or here, or your writing color. Yeah, see. Yeah, and then you can also click here also and change the words if you, whatever words that you would like. So it's very easy and user friendly. And then you can also use audio. They have a free audio here that you can choose. Any choices, just drag that one and put it in the work you have. And you can, yeah, like that. And then if you want to delete here. Yeah. And if you want the time will be longer, you can also put the seconds, but they have only limited time until 30 seconds to show the presentation, and you can go on the next page. If you want to copy the same page, you can duplicate the page and click duplicate. And if you want to add the page, just add the page. Yeah. And if you want other music, you can choose. Yeah. And if you want a text design, you can also choose which design you would like. Like this, you can choose and make it smaller. Like that. Drag your design and make it smaller. If you want to type it smaller. It's very easy and it's user friendly. So you can also choose the style, which style you would like to have, like that. The Canva, you can just get it, or you can also do it for free, but they have a limited style and audio for free. But if you are a member of this, like you buy for a month $17, you can get all the design they have, and they don't limit for you. But it's also good if you don't need to spend money. So you can get it for free, but it's only limit. Example here, the audio, they have a nice audio where they have this one pro. This is this audio have to pay, so you cannot put this one because you have to, you need to pay that to download. Yeah, like that. When you download, they will ask you to pay for that. But if you only have free, then you can put it free. Yeah, like that. You can choose music, which music you would like to have. And then when you download, you go to this. You will know the time at the top, how long it will play for you. Then you download the one that you made, and then put it download, and you can get it in the download documents on your laptop or on your cell phone. So it's easy. So guys, if you have any question, just don't forget to put the comments on the bottom of my video, and I will answer it for you.